This summit marks a historic milestone as the first of its kind in the Maldives. It places gender inclusion at the heart of our vision for policing and security. By convening today, we are not only recognizing the contributions of women, but also committing to dismantling barriers and creating pathways for their advancement. This summit is a platform for dialogue, shared learning, and actionable strategies to ensure that women's voices and leadership are integral to shaping the future of security and law enforcement in our nation. President Dr. Mohamed Muiz and the government is steadfast in its commitment to advancing women's role in policing and broader security and law enforcement institutions. Through targeted reforms, enhanced training programs, and expanded leadership opportunities, we are working to create an environment where women can thrive. We are investing in policing that promote equitable recruitment, retention, and promotion, ensuring that women are not only present but empowered to lead.